let's do this. We're on our adventure. AC. Turn up to 2. Hit it on max because it feels stuffy in here. Do you guys?
Yes.
Are you kidding me, Mom? There's 5 of us inside of it. And it's 90 degrees out there.
Is it really? You can look on my.
I'm good.
Instead of us going to one particular place, maybe we go out and hike for 3 days.
That'd be good. Hiking. Oh, Mom, we could go. We can go to the Bridge of Nowhere. Go hiking.
Yeah, when?
See? It's in Azusa.
Oh yeah.
See? Yeah.
Where's that at?
It's close to here, right? Azusa?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I've been there, but I didn't know the hike was gonna be so long, and I wasn't dressed for it, so I didn't do it. But it's about a 4-hour hike, so you want to go like early in the morning.
So we could go do that, but we could like plan the weekend, go camping somewhere. Oh wait, it's right there. It's still open. Guess what's gonna be in there? 3 miles, Calico Ghost. So you're still the navigator.
I'm aware of this, Mother.
Which means you need to get the papers out too. We have.
No. Oh, thank God, because I really have to pee, guys. Oh, that's good for the vlog. Thanks, Shannon. Look, the Calico Cemetery.
Cool.
I know.
But look, a silver mine.
Rock. No, that looks cool too. I don't think it's.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. And you're in cabin 1.
And I've never been here before, so is there...
Okay, let me get you all the information.
Thank you.
They didn't change the combination on it.
Oh, okay.
Before I give out a number that doesn't work.
Yeah, I appreciate you checking. Cool.
And the key to the cabin's inside.
Okay.
Cabin 1. You take the first left here at the end of this road, across the parking lot. Yeah, you'll go across the parking, like you're going up towards the cemetery. Before you go up that big dirt road, you'll see another left down here. Cabin 1 is right here.
Okay, thank you. I got that one.
Okay.
You know where we're
Yeah,
going?
go.
Okay.
Okay.
She's my pilot.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Any problems, let us know.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay, see where this big opening is? I know. Just go, Mom. Just go. I'll help you get in a minute. He's saying this is cabin 1.
Is that the restrooms? Those are our cabins?
Not a lot.
Oh, it looks like a lot to me.
One.
Yeah.
It's cute. Okay,
Just
so
park.
I just
Sure,
pull
park right here.
Okay, and then you're gonna run off to the bathroom.
Hell yeah, I am.
Okay.
And, okay, did you understand what he was talking about putting in this combination, or do you need me?
I need you to go potty because when we get back, if I haven't figured it out, then you can do it.
Oh my lord, Aurora.
It's cute. It's a little log cabin.
I want the top bunk, Aurora.
It's cute.
Yeah. Where'd you go? I want the top bunk.
Coat rack back there. Let's see what we got from the window. Cute. Someone else's cabin right there. It's pretty cute. Little. This is how we prepare. Yeah. Walking in the desert. Right, Abigail?
Which one?
Oh, she wants to go walking.
We are. Make sure you have to.
So we made it. We made it.
Take my hand and we'll go for it. We'll go for this.
That's true. Come on, now. Come on, maybe go.
All three of you. All four of you.
Come on, Abigail. Come on, dudes.
Okay. So where do you want to take a picture
Where do
at?
you want to take it at?
In front of the boots? Okay. Oh, when I get you a sweater, that's how they make the yarn so I can make you sweaters. And then they turn that and it does that. And when you read Sleeping Beauty,
Oh, yeah.
that's what she pricked her finger on when she was 16. You know Sleeping
A spindle?
Yes. Here we go. No, I'm just kidding. Very cool. Awesome. Dentist chair. Look, cornflakes still exist.
Yeah, cornflakes is one of the original cereal.
I can
This
tell.
creepy guy. Look at these guys.
Who's your ancestor?
Staring at you.
What?
No, his eyes would move at night.
He looks like he's got his neck open. Huh?
Well, it is an option.
Oh, like Sweeney Todd.
Yeah. Okay. Did you want more water? Not yet. Okay.
Is that how you spell ice cream?
That is how you spell ice cream. Does
Yeah, she does.
Mama, look it.
What?
Look it.
What are we looking at?
Birdies.
Birdies? Oh, cool. Shut up. There's nothing wrong with being strange.
Thank you.
No.
It's always what?
Scary when you can hear the flies because we're so used to the city.
Oh, yeah.
Mama,
Or when you come out, sometimes you can't hear cars. It's weird. You never really realize it until you leave. I like it. It's relaxing.
But we're out doing all this walking, but I'm feeling hungry.
What's your step? Is there a loose one?
No, it's just like it's slanted.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. These are all kind of slanted.
We got it, huh? Got these stairs. Yeah, I got my stick. Natalie's the first one to the bottom. Going down's easy, easy. Like, watch your spot.
Some of these are like really weird. They're not nice, but they're slanted. Like they didn't put that little thing with the bubble on top of them.
We made it.
When they say 8 to 5, they're serious.
Yeah. They're not kidding. Yeah, that's the sign that I saw. 9 to 5. Those are the stairs we just came from. Where? We gotta walk back to the cabin. Here we go.
One more step. How about over slaughtered dead water bottles?
And also,
How do you take it? How do you
this.
take it?
Let's see here inside this rock.
How do you take it? 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 How do you take it?
Okay.
How do you take it?
You wanna hold my stick?
How do you take it?
We have some rocks, 2 sets of stairs to go up. Do you wanna walk now?
How do you take it? I don't think it's big. Oh. I told you.
Is that Georgie?
I told you. Georgie.
You want a juice?
Oh, there's a fly.
Remember? Beat him up.
So Shannon, you go first. We're going like this.
Yeah, you go.
Oh, okay.
We are.
Have you seen that movie that they're both in?
Just
right here.
It's lame. I would don't even pay $2 for it. Where they're both these bandits. Yeah,
Oh wow.
Chase! Who's the beautiful girl? Are you having a good time? Yes? It's a video. Yeah. It's yummy.
If you ever change your mind about leaving me behind, oh, bring it, bring your sweet lovin', bring it on home to me, yeah, yeah, yeah. When you left, but I only hurt myself. Oh, bring it to me, bring your sweet lovin', bring it on home to me, yeah, 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 yeah. I've to read money to do. That ain't all I do for you. Oh, bring it to me, bring your sweet lovin', bring it on home to me, yeah, 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 yeah. Always.
We're awake, right, Abigail? And we're making, what, oatmeal and coffee? So it's Saturday morning, day 2. Oh, you have a good night last night, Abigail? Yeah, you slept good?
No.
No! Look at Mama. You didn't sleep good? down the street.
I don't see it percolating yet.
I know. How do you know if it's percolating?
Keep the water flowing. I mean, she's got her yogurts and we have straws too. She's the only one I'm really worried about eating.
You want a yogurt with your oatmeal?
I didn't even notice that yesterday.
Yeah.
What is it?
It looks like people could drive up there.
Yeah, it looks like another guard shack. I wonder if that's how you leave.
I don't think so.
She doesn't think so either. She agrees with you. Okay, I'm gonna keep this in the shade for it. Oh, that's a little bit too much water, isn't it?
It'll cook up. Okay.
It is. Wait, let me tell you.
Is it good?
Yeah. It could use 1 or 2 sugars, but I'm trying to get away from that because I have so much sugar in my stuff.
Yeah, she's never drank.
Shut up, Aurora.
Yes.
Wait right there, baby. I'm going to help you right now.
I was gonna help her too. She's just not gonna wait.
No, I'll take go.
She can just sit there and have breakfast with
I'm
Minnie.
gonna take one.
Sit right there.
I'll take one.
There you go.
No, I want it right here.
It's up there, no. We're going to sit right here on this step.
Okay.
Okay, and I'm going to get the oatmeal.
Let me help.
There's your thing.